That one's actually slowing down up as well, but still got a dribble there. I haven't looked at the end of the house tank one. I wonder if that filled up. Yeah, the little one's got it. Ha-ha! Tricked us all!
Hello.
Now you're eating a lot of mud. Come here, little pig. He's a good size. Remember when they were just tiny little things? The whole idea is eventually there'll only be one pig in here. You know, and all the rest will be down the back. Oh, I've got it now. Smack. They're not sharing. In the mud. Why'd you video on this?
Yeah.